Welcome to Simple Daily English. Come on, Max, move those feet. We are finally here. Welcome to the Temple of Health.
Lily, I think we took a wrong turn. This isn't a temple. This looks like a place where people come to suffer.
Don't be so dramatic. It's a gym. Everyone starts somewhere. Look at all these machines. They look so shiny and new.
They look like torture devices from the future. Are you sure we belong here? That guy over there is literally grunting like a grizzly bear.
That's just Jim's spirit. Max. He's working hard. Now, let's get started. Did you bring your water bottle?
Hang on. I have my keys, my phone, a snack bar. Oh, wait. I forgot the water.
Max, we talked about this. Hydration is the most important rule. You're going to be parched in 10 minutes.
It's not a big deal. I'll just use the water fountain near the restrooms. Or I can just drink the air. It's very humid in here.
Fine, but don't complain to me when you're thirsty. Now, let's go to the treadmills. We need to warm up our muscles.
Why are there so many options? Mountain climb, fat burn, zombie chase? Lily, why would I want to be chased by a zombie on a Friday morning?
It's just to make it fun, Max. Just hit quick start.
Whoa! It's too fast. How do I slow this thing down?
Press the minus button, the big red one.
I'm pressing it. Why am I running so fast? I feel like I'm in a cartoon.
I'll handle it. There. Are you okay? You almost flew off the back.
I think I just ran a marathon in 30 seconds. My heart is trying to escape my chest.
You have to pay attention to the speed settings, Max. Do the math. If the number says 10, you're going to be sprinting. Try starting at 3.
Okay, lesson learned. No more zombies for me. Let's go lift some weights. That looks easier. You just sit down, right?
Easier isn't the word I would use. But let's try the leg press machine. It's good for your quads.
Okay, I can do this. I have strong legs. I walk to the pizza shop every week.
Let's check the weight. Max, wait. That is way too much. That's 200 kilograms.
Please, Lily, I'm a natural athlete. Watch this.
Max, you're going to hurt yourself. Everyone is looking at us now.
I think I just saw stars. Are those actual stars in the ceiling? Or is that a concussion?
Neither. It's your body telling you to be humble. Let's move the pin to a lower weight. Let's try 40 kilograms.
40? That sounds like a baby weight.
Trust me. After 10 repetitions, that baby weight will feel like a house.
1, 2, 3. Okay, this isn't so bad. 4, 5. Oh, my legs are starting to feel like jelly.
See? I told you. Slow and steady wins the race.
6, 7. Okay, I'm done. I'm retiring from the leg press. My legs are officially broken.
You're doing great. Don't quit now. We still have to do the upper body workout.
Upper body? Lily, I can't even stand up. My legs are vibrating like a phone on silent mode.
Come on, just one set of bicep curls. Then we can go get a smoothie.
A smoothie? With real fruit?
Yes, and protein. It will help your muscles grow.
Okay, I will do it for the smoothie. Lead the way, Coach Lily.
Look at our form in the mirror. Keep your back straight. Don't swing your arms.
My hair looks terrible. This headband you gave me is too tight.
Forget the hair, Max. Focus on the biceps. 1, 2, 3.
Do I look bigger yet? Is there a visible difference?
It's been 30 seconds, Max. You aren't going to look like the Hulk immediately.
I feel a pump. I think I can feel my shirt getting tighter. Or maybe I'm just sweating.
It's definitely sweat. You're doing a great job. We are almost finished. Just 5 more.
4, 5, and done. I am a beast. I am a machine. I am very tired.
Oh no. Max, look at the time. We are running late for our lunch reservation at the cafe.
Food? Real food? Let's go. I can move fast when there is a sandwich involved.
Wait. We have to wipe down the machines. It's gym etiquette.
Right. Cleanliness is next to whatever. I'm spraying. I'm wiping.
Don't forget the leg press.
On it? Done? Can we go now?
Yes, let's go. You did really well today, Max. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Lily. I actually feel energized. A little bit sore, but energized.
That's the endorphins. They make you happy.
I think it's the thought of the smoothie that is making me happy.
Well, whatever works. Same time next week?
Hang on. Let's see if I can walk tomorrow first. If my legs still work, I'll be here.
I'll send you a reminder. Don't forget your water bottle next time.
Yes, Coach. Now where is that strawberry banana dream you promised me?
Race you to the car.
Hey, my legs are jelly. That's cheating.